Hello everyone and welcome back. Look at each picture and pick the right answer. 1. She's laughing. 2. She's smiling. 3. She's crying. The correct answer is 3. She's crying. 1. He's reading. 2. He's running. 3. He's boxing. The correct answer is 2. He's running. Number 1. They are playing. Number 2. They are praying. Or 3. They are crying. The correct answer is 1. They are playing. 1. She's eating. 2. She's laughing. Or 3. She's coughing. The correct answer is 2. She's laughing. 1. They are running. 2. They are sitting. 3. They are walking. The correct answer is 3. They are walking. 1. She's sitting. 2. She's standing. 3. She's cycling. The correct answer is 2. She's standing. 1. He's sleeping. 2. He's running. Or 3. He's driving. The correct answer is 3. He's driving. 1. They're arguing. 2. They're walking. Or 3. They're waiting. The correct answer is 3. They're waiting. 1. He's having a nap. 2. He's having lunch. Or 3. He's having a bath. The correct answer is 3. He's having a bath. Number 1. She's eating. 2. She's drinking. Or 3. She's laughing. The correct answer is 1. She's eating. Number 1. He's yawning. 2. He's hiding. Or 3. He's sleeping. The correct answer is 3. He's sleeping. 1. He's running. 2. He's sitting. 3. He's swimming. The correct answer is 2. He's sitting. 1. She's yawning. 2. She's sneezing. 3. She's coughing. The correct answer is 3. She's coughing. 1. They're watching. 2. They're cycling. 3. They're fighting. The correct answer is 2. They're cycling. 1. They're teaching. 2. They're writing. Or 3. They're singing. The correct answer is 3. They're singing. 1. They're arguing. 2. They're drinking. Or 3. They're praying. And the correct answer is 2. They're drinking. Number 1. She's sneezing. 2. She's phoning. Or 3. She's dancing. The correct answer is 1. She's sneezing. 1. He's running. 2. He's exercising. Or 3. He's yawning. The correct answer is 2. He's exercising. 1. He's having dinner. 2. He's having a salad. 3. He's having a shower. The correct answer is 3. He's having a shower. Number 1. He's singing. 2. He's cooking. 3. He's baking. The correct answer is 2. He's cooking. 1. She's writing. 2. She's coughing. Or 3. She's reading. The correct answer is 3. She's reading. Number 1. He's climbing. 2. He's running. Or 3. He's baking. The correct answer is 1. He's climbing. 1. He's swimming. 2. He's climbing. Or 3. He's jumping. The correct answer is 1. He's swimming. 1. They're sleeping. 2. They're jumping. 3. They're studying. The correct answer is 2. They're jumping. 1. He's working. 2. He's browsing. Or 3. He's exercising. The correct answer is 1. He's working. 1. She's drinking. 2. She's painting. Or 3. She's cleaning. The correct answer is 2. She's painting. Number 1. She's drawing. Number 2. She's writing. Number 3. She's reading. The correct answer is 1. She's drawing. Number 1. She's cooking. Number 2. She's exercising. Or number 3. She's baking. The correct answer is 3. She's baking. And finally, number 1. She's cleaning. Number 2. She's eating. Or number 3. She's swimming. The correct answer is 1. She's cleaning. And that's it, everyone. Thank you very much for watching and taking part. We hope you did very well. Until next time, bye.